Am I starting a movie?
Yep.
Oh, yeah. Oh, what do you want to do, Daddy?
I'm going to make a s'more.
Okay. Oh, s'mores are lovely. Just kidding. They're yummy. Well, what do you want to do today?
Today is almost done.
I know, but what do you want to do? It's exciting. I'm going to go put my feet in the water. Oh, for goodie. Let's read it out loud. For somebody. Wow, Daddy.
What?
I don't know what you're doing, but I bet you're doing something fun.
I am.
What is it?
I'm toasting a marshmallow.
Oh, for goodies. That's so fun. Good job. What do you want to do today? What do you want to do for the afternoon? What do you want to do for the afternoon? I said, Dad, what do you want to do for the afternoon?
Thinking.
Okay.
For today in the afternoon or tomorrow?
Today? Ow.
Well, the afternoon's already gone.
Well, I know.
So is the evening.
What? I can't believe it.
Alright.
What time is it?
It's about 8 o'clock.
I'm going to go check what time it is. Where's the clock? I mean,
There's a
the
clock
watch.
right here. Right there. 8:01.
Oh, 8:01, that's the time. Woo! I get to stay up as long as I want, said Daddy. Right, Daddy?
We'll see how long that lasts.
Right, Daddy? Right?
Yes.
That's so exciting. Hey, which way do you want to go? Okay, into the hammock, blah, blah, blah. What you gotta do to these?
We are almost done with the camera, though.
Why? You mean until tomorrow?
We have room to take pictures and movies tomorrow.
Oh, for goody. Let's read it out loud. For somebody. This is in March, so that little part. Oh, goody. Let's read it out loud. For somebody. That's from Martha. Did you know that I'm going to brush my feet off? Actually, I won't go in the tent. I'll just look around. There. I'm done. Now, say bye, Daddy. Say bye.
Bye-bye.
Get a closer one up.
Bye.
Wave. Wave, Daddy.